Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions which you have to answer. Are you interested in news?
Yes, I'm interested in news. I'm interested in news. However, I had like to clarify that my interest in news is different from human. I doesn't have.
I don't have.
I don't have personally preferences and emotions, but I'm designed. But I'm designed to stay updated on various topics.
Okay, how do you usually find news?
Well, I usually find news on various through various websites. I follow reputable online websites such as BBC, CNN, and Al Jazeera that gave me a comprehensive coverage on global events.
Okay, how do your friends get news?
My friend typically get news from different online social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and aggregatable apps such as Apple News and Google News, and also online websites from that is CNN, BBC, and Al Jazeera.
Have you read the news this morning?
No, I have I have not had a chance to.
I did not have a chance.
I did not have a chance to
read the news.
Read the news yet today because I was preparing for my university exam.
Okay. Do you often talk with your friends about the news?
Yes. Whenever me and my friends are sit together, we also.
Me and my friends sit together.
Sit together. We like to discuss on current affairs and also about politics and sports.
Okay, so try to conclude your answer. There are minor grammatical mistakes. Try to overcome those and improve your pronunciation.
Okay.
Let's get started. Alright, do you like weekends?
I absolutely like weekends because I love to spend time more with my family, and in weekends it is helpful for giving time to our friends and taking rest from heavy routine in the schools.
Okay,
and
what is your favorite day of the week?
Sunday.
Why?
Because Sunday it is a free time to spend with family and watching movies with friends and resting after a heavy routine and heavy day after.
Okay, you're not making proper sentences. You are communicating in phrases. Resting and watching movie and this and that. Make proper sentences with that. Okay. Now let's go on. Do you prefer to spend your weekend at home or outside?
I prefer to spend weekend at outside because with my friends on trips on to the northern sides or city sides and visiting new places like Bachai Mosque.
Okay, what did you do on your last weekend?
I didn't go anywhere because I was not feeling well and I was spending time at home and I was really sick. I was medicated.
Okay, alright, overall good. This last answer is fine. So just focus the tenses. Use more connecting words like compound sentences, okay? And practice all these topics, you'll be fine, right? Thank you so much.